Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make velocity edit on the CapCut. So the procedure is pretty simple. Watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your CapCut and import a video. You want to apply a velocity effects. So once you will do it, as you will see, a video is on my timeline. So once you will do it, you have to select a clip and here you will see speed option. So just click on the speed effect and here you will see two option, normal and the curve. So you have to select on the curve and here you will see different curves. You can simply make a custom curve, or you can use from here flash in flash out montage hero. So I simply click on the custom and go to the edit. Now adjust your graph like this to make a complete velocity effect. So this is the procedure to make a velocity edit on the CapCut. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.